I'm Daniel Heighton. I'm the lead developer at Construction Monitor, and I've been there for about 8 years. Construction Monitor collects building permit information from thousands of jurisdictions across the country every week, and then use that as a lead source and statistical tool for our customers to find business and find work. When we first were looking at RingCentral, we were actually coming from another VoIP system, so we had already made the decision to move off standard phone lines and go to VoIP. And the VoIP provider we had at the time was not doing a good job with quality. We were having a lot of dropped calls, a lot of call quality issues. RingCentral just has a great feature set for us. They handled faxing, which was this thing the other VoIP didn't do, which, well, we don't do a lot of our own faxing. A lot of our customers still like to fax us information, and a lot of the cities we work with like to fax us information. And so the ability to just bring that all into one platform was really powerful for us. At Construction Monitor, we wanted to provide a way for our salespeople to easily see what all the other salespeople were doing. We had a little bit of that in Salesforce. Salesforce has some dashboards that they would use and activities and stuff, but what it was hard to see was we wanted to see just phone calls. We also wanted phone times. It was really indicative of seeing how long people were on the phone, not just how many phone calls they made. So what we were doing with our old system is we were pulling back a list of all the calls made in the system to and from salespeople, and then putting that into a database and then displaying that out. Just a leaderboard for today. But with our old system, it was actually manual. We had to go and download a spreadsheet every couple of hours and upload it. And so when we found the opportunity with RingCentral to do the platform to the API, we were able to automate that all. So we download these call logs once an hour. They go right into the dashboard, and it updates not quite in real time, but almost in real time. The other thing that we saw qualitatively was the sales manager. We have a lot of remote workers now that we didn't have 4 years ago. And what the sales manager's been able to do is he can see when people are slipping. He can see when people are having these problems, and he can get on and fix the problem right away with them. And so that's really helped us just keeping our team productive and happy. We had an internet outage, not exactly a disaster, but we had an internet outage at one of our offices. We now have 2 offices, and we were able to send some key personnel, salespeople over to the other office, and they could just get in, log into the computer, and just start working right away, because we didn't have to worry about how do we provision a device to them and how does all that work. You just log into the computer and start up a piece of software. If I have to spend 2 days troubleshooting phones, that's 2 days other work's not getting done. And that's a big hamper on our team. So the fact that when we do have issues, if I can just go, hey guys, can you fix this? And then it's resolved in a couple of hours, and no one had to stop what they were doing and drop everything to fix phones, which is, because that's a big deal at every company.